Hello, 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 hello.
Yes, bro.
Yes, 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 yes. We are here. We are here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are here, my nigga. We are here.
We are here. We are here. So let's get to it. Let's get to it. Let's get to it.
Yeah. Shout out to people who joined very quickly.
Yeah, shout out.
Yeah.
Shout out. Shout out. Shout out. Shout out.
Hey, you even start to share your screen. Dog, I'm using my phone. Hey, this Zoom thing is dope, yo.
Yeah, it's dope.
Yeah, it's dope on a phone more than on a PC.
So there was someone who requested US 30. US 30.
Yeah, man, that was me.
Yeah, for me in US 30, I see a sale.
Yeah, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. US 30,
But
US
if you,
100.
but if you see a buy, it's fine.
Okay, let me start by analyzing US 30. So guys, this is US 30, né? So I'm gonna start on a week. Let me look at weekly. So this is a weekly time frame.
Let me look now.
So what's happening here is that US 30 it has been dropping. So we are currently in a bearish market now. We are currently in a bearish market. So like before you can analyze, you have to ask yourself questions. Am I in a downtrend or uptrend? Am I in a corrective phase or impulsive phase? Those are the questions. Those are the most important questions that you must start asking yourself before you can analyze. So as you can see now on a weekly, there was a retest here. There was a test here. So it's gonna keep going to the downside. So let's see. Let's do our analysis now. So I'm gonna go to daily. So here from daily, I'm gonna start marking my highs and lows. So this is my high. So this is my high here. And here it's my current low. This is my current low. It's my current low here. So we still have a room left. So from the daily, I'm gonna go to 4H to see if I have possible patterns, to see if I have a possible pattern. So as you can see that we had a massive break of a structure here. We had a break of a structure and we also had these. So basically here, this is a strong impulsive move. So this thing, it should reach to this level, to our 90% rule, to complete our setup. You understand? So we're gonna go to 2H from 4 hour to see if we find a continuation pattern inside our impulse. So you guys can see that we had an impulse. We had an impulse correction. We had an impulse correction, impulse. So we are currently in an impulsive phase. So now we must expect a correction before we can actually push to the downside. But in overall, I see that this thing is gonna push to the downside. So we must wait for something like this. Okay, let me do this. Before we can actually push to the downside. So we must wait for a correction before we can push to the downside so that we can complete our our ascending structure here, or is it? No, it's a rising wedge. So I don't know if anyone has a question regarding this setup.
Bro, like I have some questions on this one.
Okay.
Okay, so like for what I know in the Falcon strategy, can you please close this thing?
Which one?
Yeah. So yeah. No, it's fine now. So like I was telling you, like for what I know, this is a basically move to the downside. So the 80% like to around 80% is a corrective phase, and like we have only 20% as a impulsive phase. So like it can also like create a double bottom over here, and like we can look for the buys. And if you zoom out, like it can be. Can you please zoom out a little bit?
Are you the one who
Zoom
drew
out.
this? Are you the one who drew this?
Yeah.
Things?
I'll erase it. Wait. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So like
this
if we zoom out a little bit, can we zoom out a little bit, bro?
okay,
Zoom out.
Like this.
Yeah. So like okay, fine. Yeah. So like it can also be like if we can see this, we can it is a inverse head and shoulder. Like I'm not telling you to like to the upside, but we can still find buys for a short period of time.
Okay.
Just based on the 80-20-20 rule, which applies in this area, with this moves to the downside.
Okay. It's okay if you see that, it's fine. It's okay because we see things in different perspectives. Yeah, we see things in different perspectives. You understand? As long as you can stick to your rule and apply a good risk management, you understand?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So this is how I see it. So I'm gonna wait for a correction. Then after a correction, I'm gonna continue with the downside, because this is how I see it. This is just how I see it.
Yeah, but for me, I feel like it's still going down.
Yeah, it's gonna, like, this thing is gonna drop. It's gonna drop, like,
you have to check out the S&P 500, because like it's the core of the indices.
And what's currently happening is that in the US we have a high inflation rate. So if the inflation is high, it means that the market is selling. You understand?
No cap. Yeah, check out. But S&P 500, it's more like US 100. When I was analyzing both of them.
S&P 500, ne?
Yeah, it moves the same as Nasdaq.
This one.
Find the normal one though.
This one.
Yeah, I think check that one out.
Yeah, I see like we have the same structure. We have the same thing.
Yeah.
We have the same thing. So like if we are looking for this thing, it can also drop up until this level here. It's gonna drop heavily. But like to this level. If you can.
So like the more it drops, the more Nasdaq and US30
are going to
drop.
They go
down.
Yes, exactly.
So like this is some part of some correlation of indices.
Yeah. They are correlated to each other. other.
Yeah.
So like, and you need to be careful with, like, you need to be careful with them before taking any position, because they are very volatile. You have to like wait. You have to be patient with them. So does anyone have a question, like any suggestion or any idea?
Me, I'm taking psychological questions only though. I want psychological questions.
You have one question.
Okay.
You know, they say like when DXY goes up, Euro USD and gold go the other direction.
When
That's
like
opposite to the DXY.
yeah, it's like that. If DXY,
So, yeah.
if US dollar currency
Yes.
index is dropping, then all the pairs, USD CAD, USD CHF,
Yo,
all the
dog,
pairs.
dog. Wait, not all the pairs, dog. Yeah. I experienced that. Not all the pairs, but most of them.
Yeah, most
Most
of
of
them.
them.
Most of them. Like most of them. That's how I
But
saw
I'll
it.
suggest
Okay.
Euro USD, GBP USD, and the last one is gold.
If gold is dropping, then Euro USD is also dropping, GBP USD is also dropping. USD JPY, USD JPY, USD CAD, and USD CHF. If they are buying, they all buy together. It's a correlation. But I suggest that you just stick to your analysis.
Yeah, like analysis is much way better than focusing on correlation.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah. You must not focus a lot on correlation because you'll get
You just
yourself
have to know it.
confused. You'll get yourself confused.
Yeah.
So
Same here.
there was someone who requested Euro NZD.
USD is a buy.
Let's see the analysis, my G.
Yeah, I think like it's going to drop. It's going to go down a little bit, then buy.
Okay, let me analyze it. Let me just analyze it.
Yes, sir.
So here I'm gonna let me go to the daily.
Don't forget to do the basics, the higher high and the lower low, dog.
Yes. Always. So
Always,
here,
even if you're an expert.
so here it's my low, it's my lower low, and here it's my higher high. So I'm gonna go to 4H to spot the possible patterns, continuation patterns, or reversal patterns. So if I zoom out like this, so as you guys can see that it has been bullish. It has been bullish. So here we had a break like this. We had a break like this. So there was a double bottom here. So we had 1, 2, and then it pushed to the downside. So it's been like the way it was moving, it was creating impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction. Yeah. So here we are currently in a we are currently in a corrective phase here.
Yeah, thanks. Okay.
So we have something like this. So from what I see, from my perspective, it's gonna drop before it can actually push to the downside, to the upside, I mean. So we go to 2H. I will advise you guys to take advantage of these cells because it's gonna drop before it can actually buy. So we might be creating.
Yo, dog, let me see your analysis. Okay.
So I see that we have a here on. Okay, let me just remove this thing.
Hey, I feel like yours is late.
Let me go to 1H.
It's not.
So here I see that we have a HNS here, inverted.
Yeah, it's an inverted shoulder.
So this is, we have something like this.
Yo, like, do you see on your left hand side we have another a reversal pattern?
Like where?
Yes, I can show you like try to draw a reversal pattern before the drop of the head and shoulder.
Okay, let me
on your left hand side though.
Nah, bro, I don't
You
see
see,
it.
you see, like you see where there's 90% rule.
Here.
Yeah, like that. Like I'm talking about that part.
Okay. You say there is a what?
There might be a pattern
The ascending channel.
Oh, this one.
for us. In order for us, if like
Something like this.
yeah,
Yeah. Actually, yeah, that's correct.
hey, I didn't see this one. I'm just seeing it now. Like, but
Yeah,
the head and shoulders too, bro.
yeah. We also have a head and shoulder inside this thing, like this, ne? We have a head and shoulder like this.
Yeah,
So we can take our trade here. This is where our position. This is where we can take it. So do you guys see it? Can you guys see it?
yeah,
Mm.
yeah. We can.
Okay.
This one it's late though.
Yeah, it's lead, and I'm actually thinking of taking it this week.
I'm taking it also. I'm adding it inside my bucket list.
So you can even make use of this rectangle.
Yeah,
So in order for you, if you want to catch a sniper entry, just do a sell limit.
they just put in a pending order.
Yeah, just do a sell limit, a pending order at, let me see the price, at 1.65839. And it seems like it's a swing trade, this one.
Yeah, it's going to be a swing trade.
This one is a
Yeah,
swing
this
trade.
was late.
Yeah, it's gonna be a swing trade, this one.
Yo, don't forget to send me the what this session so that I post it on my YouTube channel.
To send you a what?
The session.
Okay,
So that I post
okay.
it.
Yeah, I think it's recorded. Yeah. So like any question, is there any question?
No questions, boss.
Oh, no question. Okay. So
And can you do Euro USD?
Euro USD. That one it's gonna, I think it's gonna sell that one. But let me analyze it
Yo,
and see.
bro,
Yeah.
I see. Do Euro USD. I was about to tell you to look at German 30.
Oh,
It's
German
more like
30.
Nasdaq too.
Okay.
Yeah, but you can do Euro USD. You can
Yeah,
do
let me do
Euro
Euro
USD for a
USD.
guy.
Okay, let me do Euro USD. So I'm on a daily here. So this is my current low. And this is my high. And I have something like this. I have a beautiful descending channel here. So as you guys see that the way it has been moving, like it has been stuck inside this channel here. You see we had an impulse correction, and then impulse. We are currently in an impulsive phase. So let's go to 4H. You have to keep your things as simple as you can. You understand? So here we had a beautiful break of structure. I think this one, it looks like Nasdaq.
Yeah.
Because I remember that we were trapped inside this correction, thinking that it's gonna continue to push to the upside.
Yeah.
But it's okay. Yeah. So now we are currently in an impulsive phase. So we must expect just a correction, then a continuation. Let me go to 2H.
You know what I normally know though? Like
Yeah.
when we have set up like this, at least you have to wait for 2 days.
Yeah,
like,
you have to wait. Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
at least like the minimum, like you have to wait for two days, and maybe
Because
on Wednesday start checking.
every day is not a trading day.
Not a trading day. Yeah.
Mm. So like I see we had something like, so like we had this beautiful pattern here, a small flag here, impulse correction, impulse. So now we are currently in a corrective phase. So let's go to 1H
Yeah.
so that we can see this correction. If we can get 2 or 3 touches.
Now you have to wait, bruh.
Now we have to, this one we have to wait. Like this one we have to wait.
It might
You have to
it
wait.
might make a bigger correction.
Yeah, it might make a bigger correction. So this one you have to wait. We have to wait, guys. This one you have to wait. Nasdaq is also like this. This looks like Nasdaq. So you have to wait for something like this. Okay, let me just remove this thing because it makes my chart to be ugly. So wait for something like this to happen before you can actually drop. Your stop loss must be 20 to 30 pips. Yeah, this is how I see it, guys. Any question?
You see, dog, I'm here to help you too.
Yeah. So is there
So
any
like
question?
guys, like any questions so that
No question.
No question. You
is
you
everything
nailed
clear?
clear.
Yes.
Louis, man.
Daylight.
I think Shamsi has a question.
Yeah, we're listening.
No, I think everything is clear now. I think everything is clear.
Wait, let's go to the daily. I want to see something.
One day. We have been stuck inside this channel, you see.
Right, this prop haddock.
Yeah.
This thing shows me something. Yeah, this prop haddock.
Yeah, we are
So,
like
yeah.
the way it was moving, like it was the same. Like if I can take, let me take this bar bus pattern. Like if I can do this, like you see, this is like the same thing. The market keeps on repeating itself. So it moves in an impulsive phase, corrective phase, impulsive phase, corrective phase. The market keeps on repeating itself. You just have to be patient with it. So is there anyone with a question? Anyone with a question?
So like, bro, if there's any question, I think like we done for today. We'll continue again next week.
Yeah, exactly. Are we?
And I hope next week is going to be more earlier than today.
Yeah, I think we had like 3 sessions today.
Yeah, it's me.
Can I add something, man?
Okay.
Something. I'm not gonna say to you to analyze anything, because like you already tell everything. I just wanted to say is like we do more sessions with each other, focusing on general for thing, you know, how to analyze the market better way. Those
Like I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you.
can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can.
What I wanted to say is that when you do more sessions that you can help us on a tutorial how to do analyze the market a much better way, how to see corrections and impulses to differentiate, all general like mix of everything.
Or like you mean like a mentorship?
Not basically a mentorship, just like maybe one class a day or a whole week, you know.
Like
So we can ask you
okay, from where we
questions and
ask
everything, you know?
from where we're going to like teach the basics, the nature of the market, how to analyze, stuff like that.
Yeah, exactly. That's my.
Okay, Z, what are you saying, man?
Hey, bro, me, I don't know. I have students. So I don't know about you, though.
Yeah, I also don't mind doing it. I also don't mind doing it.
Yeah,
Like,
because like
we can host
those kind
sessions
of
like
sessions
that.
today.
We can,
Cause like he was answering questions, you know. We
yeah.
were just asking better questions and he was answering. So we need more sessions like this. You know, we can benefit so much from you guys.
Okay. Yeah.
So like, yeah, I do get it. I think like next week we might do something different.
Okay,
Okay.
man.
Starting like
because-
telling you how to spot an impulsive move, how to spot patterns, how to spot corrections, like the basic stuff.
Exactly, man. Yeah, that would be
Yeah.
nice. That would be nice, man.
Yeah, slowly but surely. So
Exactly.
Right.
So yeah, man. See you, man. I enjoyed this kind of Zoom like so much. Respect for you guys.
Okay, yeah,
Alright.
thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Have a great weekend, y'all.
So like I'm gonna
It's
save this. I'm gonna save this recording. You can find it on Z's YouTube channel.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that level went Jack.
Sharp.
Okay, thanks a lot. Have a nice day, you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well done.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, brother.